Hi everybody, I'm Jane and today I'm showing you a quick video to recap the use of the words on and in when we're talking about transport. So your first picture is the bus. And we talk about being on the bus. Yes, I know you're sitting on the seat and you're inside the vehicle, but you're actually on board the bus. So we say, I'm on the bus. What else do you use the word on for? Well, I'm on my bicycle, or I'm on the bike. I'm on the ship, or I'm on the boat. And if you're very lucky and you own a boat, I'm on my boat. We say, I'm on the train. I don't know anybody who does own a train, but if you did, it would be, I'm on my train. So we talk about being on board the train. So the expression is, I'm on the train. I'm on the train. I'm on the plane. Yes, you'll be inside the plane and you'll be sitting in the plane. You get on board and you use the expression on. I'm on the aeroplane, or I'm on the plane. And if you live in Rotherham or Sheffield or Blackpool, you'll be used to trams, and it's the same usage of the word on for trains and buses and trams. So if you're sitting on the seat in the tram, you say, I'm on the tram. So a quick revision then. If you're talking about being on the bus, on the plane, on the boat, on the yacht, on the train, on the tram, you can either say I'm sitting on, or you can just say I'm on. I'm on the train. And for bicycle, if it belongs to you, I'm on my bike. And did you notice there that I contracted the words I and am, and I said I'm, and that's much easier when we're talking. So when you're talking, you would probably say I'm on the bus. Out. In. So for in, we talk about in being in the car. And I was asked today, what about if it's a taxi? Are you on the taxi? No, because that would mean you're on the roof. So it's in the taxi. Hi, where are you? I'm in the taxi. You would also talk about being in the truck or in the lorry if you are lucky enough to be sitting in the passenger seat. And you would also use the word in when you are talking about a fire engine. Now, if you're lucky enough to go to the open day at a fire station, then you will find the firefighters allow you to go and look around the vehicles, and you might then be sitting in the fire engine. So a quick recap. I'm in the car, I'm in the taxi, I'm in the lorry, or I'm in the truck, or I'm in the fire engine. And yes, there are reasons why we use these words, but for today I want you to just learn which vehicle do you say I'm on for, and which vehicle do you say I'm in. And make sure that you practice that so you're very clear about the difference. Bye now.